Hey everyone, welcome back to Full Grown Potential. I've noticed a bunch of videos out there on how to make money, but a lot of people who are viewing these videos were probably like I was, desperate to find more money, but unsure on how to do it. Well, what if I told you could start making more money with the money you already have? I'm talking about investing. You can start with as little as $1 a day. That's right, even small amounts can grow over time, and it's super simple. Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to start investing with Robinhood. The first step to do is download the Robinhood app. It's available on both iOS and Android. I'll provide a link down below in the description to make it easier for you. Once downloaded, open the app and follow the instructions on the screen. Create an account. It's quick and easy. Next, you'll need to link your bank account or credit card to the Robinhood account. This is where your investment money will come from. Don't worry, Robinhood is secure. It's important to note you're not transferring all your money, just whatever amount you want to invest. All right, let's get started. You don't need a lot to begin your investment journey. Start with a small amount that you're comfortable with. Maybe it's $5. Maybe it's more. The goal is to get a feel for the process, not break the bank. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. So let's take this first step together. Now, the fun part, choosing what to invest in. Robinhood offers a variety of options, from individual stocks to ETFs. Exchange-traded funds. ETFs are like baskets of stocks, which can be a great way to diversify your investments. ETFs are often a good starting point. Okay, I know the stock market can sound scary. Everyone's always talking about crashes and losing money. But let's be real. Investing your money in stocks is way smarter than spending it on lottery tickets. Why? Because stocks have a potential to grow over time. With a bit of research, your investments could double, triple, or even more. Think about it. The government has been printing money like crazy, causing inflation. This means the cost of everything is going up. If you just leave your money in a regular bank account, it's basically losing value over time. But if you invest it wisely, your money can actually grow. From things like dividends, compound interest, it all adds up. Your money can start working for you instead of the other way around. So let's take the first step and buy a small share of a company. Any company. Go ahead and pick one. Doesn't matter. Do your research. Just try it out. I guarantee you'll like it. It's like planting a small seed that can grow into a big tree. So now that you've done your research, and I'm sure you picked a great stock, time to make investing even easier. Robinhood has a reoccurring investment option. You can go to your account settings, find the reoccurring deposits option, and choose the amount and frequency you like. This way you can invest in small amounts constantly without even thinking about it. Okay, let's talk about the magic of compound interest. It's like money making money. Even small investments can grow significantly over time. Imagine investing just $5 a day. Over several years, that can add up to a substantial amount. Remember, consistency is key. Investing can seem intimidating, but as you've seen, it doesn't have to be. With platforms like Robinhood, it's easy to get started with small amounts. Remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research, but with a little knowledge and discipline, you can start building your financial future today. Subscribe for more financial tips, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.